There we go. Now we're live in that. It's 6:41, 27, like that. Okay. And I've got a YouTube thing, and I've got the other one there. All right, so it's 6:41, August 27th, Saturday, 2022. Okay. And for those of you that can see this, maybe the Facebook people, I have to go in here and Joey in Boombox channel, whatever, we're just going to take him away because I don't have time to watch girls in Boombox channel. So this is how we do it. Hit remove and block. Hit that, confirm. Wait a second. And come on now. Yep, gone. Okay. Alright, so now here is the teal colored like that. Okay, and let's see, the keyboard is, let's see here, so that's looks like that, like this, like that, like that. And there's the back of it. And that's pretty much all we need to know. Okay, so that's what it is right there. Here it is. It's in this box. It's a little bit shaky. And just for reference, here's a similar sized Sanyo M7790, which I need to repair. So it's anyway complete. It just needs belts. But let's get to it here. Okay. So just want to. This arrived today. This here. Okay, so this came all the way from Bai, Japan. Okay. Not much, just a little bubble wrap and some newspaper, but it survived because it's such a small little thing. There it is, and all its teal glory. Okay, so there's that. Then, alright, so mostly saran wrap here. Got an email from somebody in Hotmail, because that's what that sound means. So there's so we got great, so there's some, we got a power cord, yay. Didn't know it took a power cord. Okay, great, so that's nice to know. Let's see here. Alright, so it's... I like this model because it's got, I know you don't know, but it's got dual motors. So if you play it and it fast forwards and rewinds but doesn't play, it means the main belt's broke. But it's got two motors. It's got a individual motor for just rewind and fast forward. Okay, and this has got okay, so this has got your TV, your FM, AM, and then I don't know what that is, and then this is off, tape, radio, and line in, and this is your mono, stereo, and stereo wide. Okay, you got your volume with your auto loudness. You've got your tone, and then you have your balance. Okay, so Then you have your headphones, left and right microphones. It does come with a complete antenna. So there's a nicely in and out antenna. Okay. And then, let's see. Then here is your line in, okay, for those that got to go line in, all right? And then, let's make sure it can open. Yeah, it can open. Okay, so, without further ado, let's plug it in. Get me a power cord. Okay. This is a 100-volt model, but I'm powering it with 117 or whatever. It still should be all right. Okay, so there's the radio. I'm sorry, that's the radio.
Staring up the road and pray to God headlights. Try eBay Motors, pal. Get the right parts at the right prices. eBay Motors. Let's ride. I'm listening
I left my tape in the other room, so we'll just have to get a...
saves lives. There's a new national hotline for mental health related distress. 988. When you call or text 988 from any phone, you will be connected directly with trained counselors in over 200 crisis centers nationwide. They can get you the help you need anytime, anywhere. Not
just to show you that it's running, but it's running quickly. You can see that it's running quickly. Go the other way, still running quickly. That means the main. Let's see here. We can do fast forward, right? There's fast forward. There's rewind. This is play, but it's going too fast. So because it's going too fast, it means the main belt's broke. Which hit stop, get eject, get our tape out. Just needs one belt, which I believe is about a 4.5 or 5 inch belt. And that's all we know. Okay, so, and this just takes one belt. Okay, because like I said, it's the one belt dual flywheels, which are then geared to operate the rest of it, and then of course it's got a secondary motor for like that on the inside for the rewind and fast forward. And just to see here, give you a size comparison. This is a 7790. Alright, so this one here takes 6 C batteries, this one takes 7. Okay. And that's all we know, just something else to work on. But I just thought this was a cool color. I've never seen a teal anything, so there's that. This up here, this up here. Okay. And then let me just get the YouTube camera off the tripod. Alright, and see here, so yeah, so there it is, 8 minutes worth. We'll just snap a picture like this. Well, oh, that's right, we're shooting. Okay. Hey, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.